The Chinese central bank has announced plans to cut key interest rates as Beijing looks to boost its economy amid the ongoing trade war with the United States. The PBOC said it will cut the 7-day reverse repurchase rates by 10 basis points and lower the amount of cash banks must hold in reserve 50 basis points, releasing around 1 trillion yuan in additional liquidity into the market. That's almost $140 billion. The U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent and Trade Representative Jamieson Greer are set to hold talks on trade and the economy with their Chinese counterparts in Switzerland within days. Speaking to Fox News, Bessent said the countries have shared interests and that the weekend's talks would likely be about de-escalation needed to move forward. Emily Tan filed this report.
China announced the first set of economic support measures since President Trump's Liberation Day and his tariff war. The People's Bank of China announcing a 50 basis point cut to the RRR effective from May the 15th. The cut will release 1 trillion yuan, $139 billion in liquidity into the market. The policy rate will be cut by 10 basis points, which also leads to a cut in the loan prime rate by the same magnitude. Speaking at the interdepartmental press conference this morning, China's securities regulator says the U.S. tariff policies have brought great pressure to China's capital markets, and in response, it will forcefully promote long-term capital into the stock market, adding that it will help A-share-listed companies affected by tariffs to cope with difficulties. Meantime, the financial regulator said it will take further steps to stabilize the stock market and guide financial institutions to maintain steady financing support to the property market. Today's announcements help to lift Hong Kong and China shares, which are also reacting to confirmation of U.S.-China trade talks in Switzerland. Vice Premier He Lifeng is traveling on the invitation of the Swiss government and is expected to meet with Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent and USTR Jamieson Greer while he is there on Saturday and Sunday. I'm Emily Tan reporting in Hong Kong. Back to you.